Hello everyone, I'm Lenuel Carino, 16 years of age, from Mangaldan, Pangasinan. Basketball was my passion since I was 9. In my 7 years of playing basketball, I learned a lot of lessons, especially on my failures. On my failure times, every shot I take, I missed. And sometimes, I just want to give up. But that doesn't stop me from striving more. Because I realized that in the end, failures give you lessons, make you a better person. And I know that failures lead to success. Life is like playing a basketball game. Sometimes you're the winning side, and sometimes you're the losing side. But in the end, it's not about winning or losing. It's about doing your best. It's about learning from all the lessons and failures you have experienced. Once again, I'm Lenuel Carino, ready to become a good role model and inspiration to all of you.